Hey guys, happy holidays. Jerry James Stone here. I have a great recipe for you. This is my garlic and herb cheese dip. Now, if you're looking for a quick, simple appetizer, this is the one to go to. It's very easy, just a few ingredients. It's really simple to make, and it's always a big hit. Who doesn't love cheese? Well, maybe unless you're vegan, but like, who doesn't love cheese? It's super tasty. Let me show you how to make it. To start out, we're gonna take our cream cheese, and we're just gonna start to break that up a little bit using a hand mixer. You could also do this in a stand mixer. Doing it by hand without a power tool of some sort would kind of suck. Now we're gonna add in our milk and just carefully mix this together. Add in our Italian seasoning. Add the garlic. Mix it in. Add the salt. Let's add in that tasty, tasty cheese. Now we're just gonna mix it all together. Okay, it's ready to bake. Go ahead and place it in a oven-safe dish. Get it all leveled out. Now we're gonna bake it for about a half hour at 375 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set our oven to 375 degrees. And there you have it, delicious, garlicky, Italian herb packed cheese dip. Just to show you how lovely this is. Look at all that. Oh yeah. Right? Not hard to make, super easy, and I swear it's super delicious. It's always a hit. So if you like to cook like I do, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. Also, have a very happy holiday. See you guys next time.